Imagine a place where the ocean is so clear you can see straight to the bottom, where the beaches are powder soft and stretch endlessly under the sun. Welcome to the Maldives, a tropical paradise in the heart of the Indian Ocean, renowned for its unparalleled beauty, luxury, and serenity. With over 1,000 islands scattered across 26 atolls, the Maldives offers something truly unique. Crystal clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and lush, unspoiled beaches. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, this stunning destination delivers on every front. For those who seek luxury, the Maldives is nothing short of exceptional. Imagine waking up in an overwater villa with a private infinity pool, where your view is nothing but the endless blue ocean. Here, privacy is paramount, and world-class resorts are designed to provide the utmost in comfort and exclusivity. Whether you're enjoying a private dinner on a secluded beach or relaxing with a spa treatment set against the backdrop of the ocean, the Maldives is a place where every moment feels like a dream. But the Maldives isn't just about luxury, it's a haven for adventure and exploration. Below the water's surface lies a world of vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Dive into the clear waters and swim with manta rays, colorful fish, and even gentle whale sharks. The Maldives is one of the top diving destinations in the world, offering some of the most spectacular underwater experiences imaginable. Whether you're a seasoned diver or new to the sport, the crystal clear waters make every dive unforgettable. And for those who prefer to stay above water, the Maldives offers a range of thrilling water sports, from jet skiing and paddleboarding to windsurfing and kite surfing. Feel the rush of wind and water as you glide across the ocean, or take it easy with a leisurely boat ride to explore the surrounding islands. The Maldives offers endless opportunities for adventure, all within a backdrop of stunning natural beauty. Beyond the beaches and waters, the Maldives is also home to a rich culture, shaped by centuries of history and influences from various cultures. Indulge in the local cuisine, which blends fresh seafood with rich aromatic spices. Try dishes like Maldivian fish curry, or enjoy tropical fruits and coconut-based treats that are sure to satisfy every palate. The warmth of the Maldivian people adds an extra layer of charm, making your stay feel like a truly authentic experience. What makes the Maldives even more special is its commitment to sustainability and conservation. With many resorts focusing on eco-friendly practices, including marine conservation efforts and sustainable building, the Maldives is leading the way in responsible tourism. By visiting, you're helping protect this fragile paradise, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty of these islands. No matter the reason you come, whether it's to unwind, explore, or celebrate, the Maldives offers an experience unlike any other. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where you can reconnect with nature, with loved ones, and with yourself. So why wait? The Maldives is ready to welcome you with open arms, to help you create memories that will last a lifetime. Book your trip today and let the Maldives be the next chapter in your journey of discovery and relaxation.